It's interesting how many people you go around, and we travel a lot, and you talk to, and you sort of get to this thing where you think like, oh, everybody already knows that, right?
Yeah.
And you constantly run into guys that are hungry for more knowledge about how to hone properly, how to measure it and know what I'm getting for results, and what to do with that. So guess what?
We're gonna have a class,
We're
right?
gonna teach you how to do it.
Honing. Man, you know, Ben, I have become a honing addict.
It's interesting how much has changed in the honing world in the last, say, 6 or 7 years, right? So, you know, we bought this in 2016. And back then we thought, man, we are state-of-the-art honing, you know, but gosh, the technology in honing, you know, process, the stones, the materials, you know, coolant versus oil, deck plates versus no deck plates, right?
All those
Speeds
things.
and feeds and loads. All that technology is changing rapidly, even now today, but over the last 6 or 7 years, it's dramatic.
Oh, no doubt.
One of the things is like learning is a change in behavior that's based on experience. It's not based on listening to a lecture. It's not based on reading a book. It's not
Or
based
watching a
on
YouTube video.
watching a YouTube video. Those are all helpful, but how many people think, you know, man, when I read it, I just don't quite get it, but as soon as I do it, it's like magic. Well, now's your chance. You can come here to Lake Havasu City and be in our facility at EFI University.
Beautiful, by the way, here.
Yep. So April 22nd or June 8th, I think it is.
Bristol, Tennessee.
You can go see Chris Stroud, Stroud Technology. He's got all the latest and greatest tools and toys.
Exactly.
But the difference is we're gonna start in the classroom, we're gonna talk about it, and then we're gonna go out into the shop and you're gonna actually do it. You're gonna put your hands on it, you're gonna run the machine, you're gonna measure it with a profilometer, we're gonna have different hardnesses of cylinder sleeves, we're gonna have all kinds of different stones and things that you can try and see what happens when I do this, what happens when I do that, and there's nothing like doing it to really learn something. So come visit us at the Rottler, Total Seal, EFI University, Stroud Technologies, that's
Everybody, right?
at honing school, if you will, and we're gonna give you a chance to learn how to do this stuff.
It's gonna be really cool to be able to see, run the machine. Like I said, change around the feeds and the speeds and see what kind of difference it makes. The biggest thing is gonna be really eye-opening is to see you go from that different hardness sleeve with the same abrasive, then you check it with the profilometer and you get 2 completely different numbers. But when you leave, you will know exactly how to create the correct surface finishes for today's piston rings. Whether you've got an old Sun in CV16, this still works.
Doesn't matter a CK10.
Yeah,
right?
it doesn't matter what you got. The processes, the theories all apply. Now, obviously, if you have a 6-stone head, it's going to be straighter and rounder than a 2-stone head, right? We can't help that. But in terms of creating the correct textures for the different applications, we're going to teach you how to do it, and it's going to be super fun, super easy, one-day class here in Lake Havasu or in Piney Flats, Tennessee, which is essentially Bristol, Tennessee. And you know what? It's the same weekend as the NHRA race. So
that'll be cool. Now you got 2 reasons to go there. So,
exactly.
You know, it would be easy to say that the biggest changes that have happened is the metrology has changed. But the metrology hasn't changed. What's changed is as engine builders, our knowledge of metrology from guys like Mark Malberg have changed the way that we understand and think about the honing process. So that led to, let's try these different stones, let's try these different speeds and feeds. And all that stuff is what you're gonna get in that just one-day class. You fly into Vegas, come here, hang out for a day, check out all the other cool stuff we got going on, learn a ton about honing. If you can't make it to this one, you hang out with the guys in Bristol, Tennessee in June, just before the NHRA race, you really can't lose.
No, and you better sign up quick because seating is limited. We're only gonna do 6 seats per class, right?
Yeah, that's right. So there's only 12 spots available. You can sign up at the website, EFI101.com. We'll have that running here in another day or so. You'll be able to sign up for it. So you log on, you swipe your credit card, make sure you get your seat. Don't miss out. It's going to be the class of a lifetime if you're into honing and engine building.
Absolutely. It is hidden horsepower.